Anyway, here we go. Eevee Cat Part 1. Where you just got to introduce you to the characters again. This is Flash. This is Fifi. This is Star. This is Moon. This is Ice. This is Grass. This is Burn. This is Splash. I gotta tell you guys something. I am doing my old ships, so like no gay stuff, unfortunately. So yeah, and this episode is a bit chaotic, and plus, what was I gonna say? This is gonna be the art style for only this series. So I'm not going to add like any of my other art styles. So like I'm not gonna do my more traditional art style. I'm gonna only do this one. Alright, let's get on with the video. Espeon, what are you doing? Shh. Trust the process. What are you doing? Jolteon, you gotta come with me. Okay.
Alexa, stop.
What? Jolteon? No, not Jolteon. Oh my god. Flash? Only if I hadn't given my magic to him. Only if I hadn't given him some of my magic, I could do this. I'm not that strong. Ah, no, she hit my gem. Oh, that's bad. Can you not interrupt me, please? Did you think I wouldn't have seen that shiny Espeon? You know what? I think you'll deserve this. She left something behind. Don't know what it is, and I don't want to touch it at all. It's super bloody. To be continued. It's really short, I know. It's really short. But yeah, this takes a long time. And I literally started this like a little bit ago, and I got a bit lazy. Like, my sister's gonna be interrupting me in a lot of these. And plus, these don't take too long, but they take a while. Cause, like, I'm not used to this art style. I'm not used to this art style, like, at all. Plus, I literally just started using this art style. And plus, I'm not used to this art style because it's more like Gacha Life Rainbow Cats, which I don't really use her art style because I'm not a person like that. Why did I do this? I was thinking of drawing thunder, but I decided to go with an espeon. By the way, espeon is just a cat in this series. The espeon that used to be the leader is just a cat in this series. She's not a regular espeon, so I won't draw espeon tails like that. I will draw espeon tails like this, though, regularly. So yeah, this series will take long. I'm sorry if there's going to be a long wait between episodes. I have a lot to do, and I accidentally give myself a lot to do. So yeah, you're going to have to wait for a while between episodes. These episodes take a while, so you're going to have to get used to the upload schedule between these episodes. It's not going to be very long. And these episodes won't be very long like usual. And yeah, it's just these videos will take a long time, so you gotta trust the process. And plus, I don't use layers. So yeah, a lot of my art isn't good. Like, it's mid. My art's mid. My art's very mid. Not the best art ever. And there's a lot of work I have to put into both of these, you know? So, yeah, you're not gonna get a very frequent upload schedule from me. It's just how life works. It's not all fun and games, it's not all that simple. Gotta know that. Oh no. Device space for, and I literally cleared out my device like a little bit ago. So I don't know why it's saying that. Don't worry. I will still upload, just not very frequently.
Rachel, can you tell me why Ted is mad at me?
I don't know.
Still
Anyway,
recording?
yeah. Anyway, bye.